Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical basics so software fixes work. Unplug and firmly reseat HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C. Loose cables cause split image artifacts. Once done, power cycle the monitor and the computer to clear transient faults. Then open Display Settings. On Windows, press Win+P, and on Mac OS, go to System Settings Displays. This locates which display is active and whether the system detects duplicates or extended desktop. That diagnosis directs the next steps. Now tackle the configuration and driver layer, where most split-screen issues hide. Set each monitor to its native resolution and refresh rate because mismatches cause tearing or halves. Next, open GPU control panels to disable mirroring and ensure displays are arranged correctly. Drag previews until they match physical layout. If problems persist, update the graphics driver. If the issue started after an update, roll back to the prior driver. These steps correct misreports and timing mismatches between GPU and panels. Finish by isolating hardware. Swap the cable and use another port or a different computer to confirm whether the monitor or machine is at fault. If graphics still splits, boot into safe mode or use onboard graphics to rule out software interference and perform a factory reset on the monitor to clear internal settings. If the split persists after these checks, you're likely facing a hardware failure. Contact service. One tip: if the split shifts with pressure near edges, that indicates panel or ribbon cable damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.